Number 5. Want to divide these things. So I have 4 times b times b times b over 6 times b. Now, we very quickly say, hey, that b and that b go away and become 1s. Great. But don't forget, what can 4 and 6 both be divided by? They both are even numbers. They can be divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and the 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the top cleanup is 2bb, which is 2b squared. In the bottom, we have the number 3. Okay. Here we have what? A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over A, B. Crossing out, those go away. And in the B's, those go away. So what are we left with? Well, up top, I'm left with a B squared. Down below, I'm left with an A. Now, I know that you're going to want to try and do things, but you need to make sure you're visualizing this. I can see I have A to the 4, A to the 5, so I know, hey, I'm going to have 1 left in the bottom. Here I have B to the 7, B to the 5th, so I know I can see I have 2 left in the top. That's fine, as long as you can see that this is what's happening. That's what you're visualizing. Number 7, I'm going to keep writing it out because it doesn't take me that much longer, and it makes me feel totally safe that I'm going to get the right answer. And since you're just learning this, that's probably the wise way to do it. Notice we were left with just a y up top, c squared in the bottom, n, so n squared, and there we have number 7. And we'll finish here with number 8. Let's go ahead. I'm going to let us visualize this one this time. Now notice the 5 and the 15 can be divided, so that's a 1 and a 3. A7, A in the bottom. That means you're going to have 6 left up top. Here, B6, B3, you'd have 3 left in the bottom when they cross out. C6, C4, you'd have 2 left up top. We wouldn't put the 1 because we don't need it because we have other things there. So A to the 6, C squared, all divided by 3b cubed.